Hello, welcome to this video. It's a sound demo video for this beautiful drum just here. So I'm going to be playing with a firm beater and a softer beater. Both give a slightly different sound. Either are available to purchase alongside the drum. There's an option at the checkout. If I quickly just turn it over, you can see we've got this beautiful cross handle, branch handle on the back. It's laced with this inner circle of sari rope, and it's laced with artificial sinew. It's an oak frame with a horse skin head, I think I mentioned. So I'm going to play with these two beaters. I'm going to start with a firmer beater so you can have a listen to what that one sounds like. Let's have a play. Here we go. Beautiful. And then the softer beater. Beautiful. Okay, hope the little video helps you to make a more informed decision. So it's difficult choosing online. That's why we make these little videos. I'm Crow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.